Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th October 2024. India's leading jewelers expect gold demand to drop by 15 to 20% this Diwali Dhanteras as compared to last year's same period, as gold price is nearing Rs 81,000 per 10 gram mark, forcing many of them to come up with freebies beyond making charges discount, in which is usually the peak shopping period. Diwali Dhanteras is the largest gold jewelry shopping period in the country, as it is considered auspicious and people even buy wedding jewelry, accounting for about 30 to 40% of the annual sales. Private telcos in India are urging the regulator to ensure new satellite communication players like Starlink and Kuiper pay market-determined prices for spectrum, aligning with terrestrial network providers. They argue for fair competition by imposing similar pricing, regulatory levies, and licensing fees on satellite operators. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman urged for fair and accurate sovereign ratings for emerging markets and developing economies at the IMF's 2024 annual meeting. She emphasized that ratings should reflect economic fundamentals and improve access to capital. Sitharaman has also called for governance reforms in global institutions and highlighted persistent global economic risks like geopolitical tensions and weak growth. On October 26, 2024, the Central Board of Direct Taxes announced an extension for filing the return of income for the assessment year 2024-25. This significant update is aimed at providing relief to taxpayers and ensuring compliance with the income tax regulations. The deadline for filing the return of income under Section 139(1) of the Income Tax Act has been moved from October 31, 2024 to November 15, 2024. This applies specifically to assessees mentioned in Clause A of Explanation 2 to Subsection 1 of Section 139. The Income Tax Department has launched the latest version 1.1.7 of the Common Offline Utility for filing income tax returns 1 to Income Tax Return 4 for assessment year 2024-25. This update, released on October 25, 2024, enhances the user experience and simplifies the return filing process for individuals and businesses. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.